Okay guys, Sunday the 4th of February, so let's have a look at Australian dollar, US dollar. So I'm not in Edinburgh today, so the video is being done a little bit differently. I'm recording it on my laptop, so the quality might not be quite as good as normal. Okay, so from this market last week, what were we looking at? Well, we basically used this spike up on Friday, lining up with the spike up from the 8th of September to identify our level of resistance. Now what we could look for was if we continued to hold at this level, we could look for the bearish movements down. However, on the moves down, we had this key level of support, and really we had two zones, combining from 8,065 down to 8,000, where we could look for potential bullish bounces. You can see the market bouncing up, you can see it bouncing up, and then on Thursday, you can see the market coming down, testing the lows of the zone, and then popping up once again. And then coming into Friday, we had that very strong bearish movement down. Now, coming into next week, what are we really looking at? So, first thing is these zones remain pretty much the same. Let me just get rid of this arrow here. What I'm really looking at is the market was in a very, very strong upward trend. So we tested here, we then started to drag up and test at these levels, we tried to break away, and then we have started to fail and we are coming back down once again. So, if we see the market pressing back up now, first of all, this whole section up here remains key resistance to look for potential sell positions. The zone at the top and the zone down below. It's only really if we start breaking up above this level that I would then be happy to start looking for the move further. Let's zoom all the way out, and that would really be up toward these levels right here, toward 8,000, really 8,200, the round number. But at present, we have seen the bears stepping in once again. Now, what we went over last week also was this, really the 7,900 to the 7,865 level, this previous swing right here, which is lining up with previous price action tests. So we can see the sellers stepping in here and here from back in October 2017. We can see it holding as a bullish level back in August of 2017. And then we had the swing point here before the market broke up above. So it's telling us that buyers and sellers are interested in this level. So on the way down, it's worthwhile looking for potential bullish bounces at this level, and also down into 7,825. Down towards 7,800, and that at present is lining up with the MA200. Also, once again, a good potential level to watch for those bullish bounces. Now, if so we've got two bullish levels here. If we start to fail at this level right here, then it's very likely we're going to see the market coming all the way back down toward at least 7,700, and more than likely down into 7,665. So let's mark both of these in. So really at the round number 7,700, and down toward 7,665 right here. We're using this previous pause of price action, a congestion area between the buyers and the sellers. This level right here, once again, you can see the market resisting before we then break out. If we're failing at this level, I would then expect the market to come down into this level, which would once again become a good level to watch for those bullish positions. We then have another level at 7,640, all the way down toward 7,605 right here. Right here. Now, moving forward, these are the main areas I'm interested in on Australian dollar, US dollar. So we still have key resistance up above. If I get rid of this rectangle, I'm really looking at it as the two zones that we had last week. We've already been given evidence that the buyers are running out of steam up here and the sellers are stepping in. If we press back up, it's a good area to start looking for resistance, potentially a double top and another strong wave down, especially because we have broken through this pretty steep upwards trend line. It's only if we start to break up above this 8,125 level now that I would then expect the market to move up toward those levels that we looked at when we zoomed out. Down below, we have a level of support. Really, this is a pretty strong level of support at 7,900 to 7,865. So if the market does come down here, it's worth looking for those bullish bounces. as is the level down below, 7825 to 7805, which is lining up with the MA200 at present. However, if we start breaking through this level, I'd then expect the move down. Now on the back of that, if we start breaking through this zone right here, I'd also be willing to look for the pullbacks and that bearish continuation. Certainly down toward this zone, and then if we start filling at this zone, we're looking for the moves down towards 7,700 down to 7,605, looking at it as two different zones. Both of these areas, strong support. I'd be more than happy to start looking for bullish bounces down here once again. Okay guys, that is everything for this week. As always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.